Hey guys, this is Miss Becky from the Burleson Public Library, and I'm going to show you how to make a pipe cleaner flower. And all you need is 2 pipe cleaners, and they can be the same color or different colors. It's up to you. The reason I'm doing this video is we included this activity in our kindness kits this month, and so I wanted to show you how to make them in case you were confused on what it looks like. So you're going to take your first pipe cleaner, and you can attach it to what you want to know, where you want to leave the flower, or you can kind of just do it to get it ready. And so I'm going to do it through one of the holes of this chair and kind of just wrap it around so that it stays still. So there we go. So that's the kind of stem part. And then I'm going to loop around the top so it makes kind of a circle. I hope you guys can see that, kind of like it would be for a flower, so kind of like that. I hope you guys can see. And then I'm going to take my second one and I'm going to loop it through that circle, and then I'm going to round it off and try to make a petal shape, and then I'm going to stick the rest of the pipe cleaner through, so kind of loop it through. So it'll kind of look like that. And then I'm just going to kind of keep wrapping them around in a petal shape. There's a lot of grace in this. It doesn't have to look super nice. Pipe cleaners are forgiving. And so there's my second one. And then I'm gonna wrap it around again. Stick it through. And I may have to do like a little mini one at the end. I think I did these other ones too big. But that's kind of the idea, and so I hope you guys can see this. This is a very badly done flower, but you just kind of want to make petals and then leave it somewhere for someone to randomly find it, and I think it'll really bring people joy because they're not expecting it. So hope you guys enjoy this craft, and I will see you later. Bye.